Hello and welcome. We've got a couple of teams here just about to go crazy in this regular season game.
You know, Jim, if I had my own team, I'd name them the winners. That way, even if we lost, we'd still be the winners.
You know, Don, I think you would do that. Robitaille shoots the puck. Stoned by Luongo. Svela gets the pass from Luongo. Ozolic with the puck. Berry gets checked.
Sometimes they manage a nice hit, and other times, annihilation hits.
Yager taken out.
He phoned that hit in big time. What a joke.
Berry. Ozolic saved by Joseph.
Great save. Why mince words?
Ozolic gets dropped.
Hit him full tilt and knocked him around like a pinball.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Berry is tough to beat at faceoffs. It's one of his stronger areas, Don.
He has what it takes. The right stuff, the straight goods. Am I making it clear?
Painfully. Shatan jumps on the loose puck. Nieuwendyk has it now. Yzerman gets it. Nieuwendyk turned away.
He's in control of the crease tonight, Jim.
Novoselic grabs the puck. Svela gets a hold of it. Nieuwendyk lays him out. Novoselic. Ozolic has the puck. Detroit takes control. Yzerman gets rocked.
I suppose that hit was okay.
Shatan. Nieuwendyk now with the puck. Luongo hangs on for the whistle. Maltby takes control of the puck. Detroit is watching in horror. One of their players can't get up. Smolinski looks like he'll be out of this game for a while.
But he could still be back. Come on, think positive.
Slager takes his stick in both hands and really nails his opponent.
I know he got caught up in the heat of the moment, but cross-checking is a bad thing to do.
Murray. Ferguson now with the puck. He gets out-muscled. Toms was offside. The face-off goes to Detroit. Robitaille. Offside, Detroit. Is shut by Luongo.
Stop cold, like a jaywalking rhino.
Luongo hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Lidstrom. Nilsson with the puck. Maltby grabbed it. Nilsson grabbed it. Lidstrom in control now. Robitaille now has it. Yager slap shot. Detroit corrals it. Netzcash stops the shot. Weiss jumps on the loose puck. Yager. Timonen shoots it. Hicks gets in the way. Luongo hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux won the face-off. Brewer fired it. Luongo stoned him. Luongo hangs on for the whistle. Krejcik dropped his stick quickly and is grimacing in pain.
Might be his wrist.
The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
Nilsson stops the shot. He gets pushed off the puck. Kuba scoops it up. Yager. Tunge, one time. Florida gets it. Nilsson. Kuba takes possession. Nylander grabs it.
Last minute of play in the
Svela shoulders Yager. Ozolic. Hicks. Put the first period in the books. Detroit looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing the puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim.
That off my chest.
Welcome back, everybody. Wow, this game is off to a great start.
Keeping it close, just the way I like it.
Lemieux wins the draw. Solani. Huselius takes possession of the puck. Timonen. Fedotenko goes offside and the play is stopped. Novosoltsev. It's one-on-one. Shoots the puck. Luongo denies him.
I'm pretty sure he could have made that save talking on a cell phone.
Huselius grabs the puck. Mowed down.
Sure, that hit was fun, but I wonder what it would have looked like underwater.
Robitaille gets hold of the puck. Rifles it. Luongo with an awesome save. Luongo freezes the puck. The faceoff goes to Detroit. Timonen shoots the puck. Hicks. Baudouin has it. Taken out.
And he knocks him from Baltic to Boardwalk.
Tanguay. Rink-wide pass. Nylander. Fires! Stoned cold by Luongo. Ozolic takes control of the puck. Hicks takes it. Mowed down.
Knocked him down like a corner pin in the second frame.
Detroit puts its checking line out. Nylander shoots the puck. Toms picks it up. Bure gets it. Joseph makes the save. Tanguay. Nylander took the puck. Wrist shot from the left. Saved by Luongo.
Great control, great timing, great save.
Ferguson was brought down on a breakaway.
That's a no-no, Jim. Now we'll see a penalty shot. The real showdown of one-on-one hockey skill.
To be taken by number 47, Craig Ferguson, against number 31, Curtis Joseph.
Ferguson scoops up the loose puck. Shoots! The goalie makes short work of that attempt. Netzcash shoots the puck. Missed the net. Lemieux. Slager knocks the puck loose. Nielsen. Netzcash grabbed it. Weiss grabbed it. Slager now with it. Lemieux gobbles it up. Solani. Brewer. Detroit jumps on it. Luongo stones him cold.
That save put a smile on the goalie's face.
Maltby. Rubbed off the puck.
Nothing graceful about that.
Detroit got it. Solani. Solani takes control. Novosoltsev goes backhand. Blocked. Svela with the puck. The Panthers come in offside. Baudouin. Hegman. And there's some punishment being dealt out on the ice.
All of you young kids out there, now's a good time to go wash your face and get ready for bed.
Seems pretty happy about winning that one, Don.
Well, you know how it is. You tag them and then you're it.
Detroit penalty to number 47.
Tanguay.
A 5-minute major for fighting.
Nylander fires it. He scores. It trickled in. Awesome shot on that goal.
Yeah, you could sell that guidance system to the military.
Detroit did not want to go back into the dressing room scoreless.
No siree. Their coach was definitely not giving them the look of love.
Maybe it was something he ate. Florida dumps the puck in. Bure, missed shot. He scores!
It couldn't have been more of a masterpiece if it was signed by Da Vinci.
Detroit might have to go in the locker room with a tie.
They're in it, but no longer winning it.
Bure, assisted by number 46.
Lemieux, Metze gets hold of the puck. Timonen runs over Weiss.
Ah, yes, between periods. My Pee-wee coach told me that's when I played my best hockey.
Environments and take public transit to and from the game.
Welcome back to the festivities. I'm Don Taylor.
And I'm Jim Houston. Let's get ready to check out the action because the ref is about to drop the puck. Huselius. Barry controls the puck. Taken out.
And now he has a healthy fear of other human beings. Everybody wins.
Yager grabbed the puck. Gets the shot off. Missed the net. Robitaille jumps on the loose puck. Shoots! Denied by Luongo.
'Twas a thing of beauty.
Barry shoots the puck. Florida has it. Blocked. Yager with the puck. Chelios got it. Lemieux took it. Tanguay, stick save by Luongo.
The stick save is such an important part of his repertoire.
Timonen gets hold of the puck. Florida puts its checking line out. Huselius now has the puck. Mowed down.
An out-of-this-world hit that just about knocked him into orbit.
Yager. Tanguay. Hagman jumps on the loose puck. Nylander cranks one. Luongo hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux won the faceoff. Brewer fires hard. Bure. Toms now has the puck. Brewer. Lemieux. Fedotenko now has it. Mitze. Toms with the puck. Bure. Shoots it hard. He scores! Beauty!
Whoa! And who says hockey players aren't artists?
Detroit falls behind.
It's difficult to say at this point who's more disappointed, them or me. Hey, wait a minute. Why am I disappointed?
Iserman. Neuendijk took the puck. Shoots! Door slammed shut by Luongo. Luongo hangs on for the whistle. The faceoff goes to Detroit. Shot the puck. Solani scores!
Any higher, and the crossbar would have had something to say about that.
Detroit wants to make a game of this one.
Well, they're too late. Good folks at EA Sports beat them to it.
Don, that's just an expression.
No, Jim, it's in the game. Trust me, it's in the game.
Cranked it. Bure gets in the way. Delayed call coming up. We have a penalty call. Bure in a lot of pain.
Yeah, that looks pretty grim. If he pulled his groin there, and he may have done just that, he most likely will be out for a while.
That man will take a rest, at least for a little while.
He could still be back in this game, though.
Ozilic is going to the box for roughing.
Look at how smoothly that penalty box door swings open to let him in, Jim. They must oil it on a regular basis.
Florida will play shorthanded.
But I've got a good feeling about this one. This team loves to be the underdog.
Ozilic puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Maltby takes control of the puck. Weiss shoots it. Chelios stops the shot. Robitaille shoots the puck. Big save by Luongo. Solani jumps on the loose puck. Solani fires!
In the third period.
Florida picked it up. Ozilic. If no one scores here, we're looking at an extra period, Don.
Great. Another food break. Worked for me.
Iserman grabs the puck. Toms touches up for icing. Fedotenko gets checked. Solani. Brewer missed the net. Hagman. Hicks controls the puck. Hagman may be hurt.
He got his glove off very quickly, Jim, and he looks worried about that hand.
We figured his injury may be too bad to play with.
And we were right. He's going to the locker room.
Nylander wins the draw. Yager shoots the puck, misses. Ferguson. Novoselic. Joseph with a big save.
He shoots, he doesn't score.
Tunge shoots the puck. Florida in control now.
We've got two even teams who will use the OT to try to work the odds in their favor.
There you can demo NHL 2003, the most exciting.
Jim, last
hockey
period
game
I
ever.
broke a personal record and drank 53 coffees. Add that to your stats. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Please, somebody help me.
Yeah!
Novoselic shoots. Nylander. Nylander gets hold of the puck. Tunge cranks it, blocked. With a wrist shot, blocked. Ozolic. Novoselic wasn't going to let the defender take the puck.
Not with that move.
Ozolic. Tunge with the puck. He gets laid out.
Apparently he forgot about that whole looking out for number one thing.
Huselius gets caught offside and play is stopped. Ozolic.
That confirms it, Jim. He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Shoots the puck. Luongo closes the door. Stoned by Luongo.
When this guy is on his game, nothing gets by him.
Shoots the puck. Luongo slams the door shut. Luongo hangs on for the whistle. Novoselic. So neither team's able to declare a winner tonight, even with that extra period.
I feel gypped. There has to be a winner.
Yzerman, saved by Luongo.
That man is tougher to get into than a subway after a hockey game.
Luongo hangs on for the whistle. Solani, hard shot. Luongo, close the door. Nielsen. The Panthers dump the puck in. Detroit corrals it. Yzerman. Lemieux rips a shot. Two evenly matched squads have met tonight and neither side gave an inch.
So the other side
And now
couldn't
for
take
the
a mile?
three-star
Something like
selection.
that.
Tonight's third star for Detroit, number